just stick it on there. This transition, I don't know what to do about that.
I guess start it there and end it here. Notice inside. We're putting the trim molding around the sidecar body there for the inside. He's got the floor cut. We don't have it glued in yet.
I don't know if I was going to glue it or not because it rains.
Yeah, you probably just leave it that way. You can pull it out and wash it.
That's what I was thinking.
May as well glue it though, because the seat's going to bolt down through it. So you won't be able to pull it up anyway, really.
Looks pretty good though.
Except that one. What's this spot here? It's the way it turns, yeah.
What's that?
I just look at that spot, but that's the way the body turns, so. This is a trim for that. It's got ridges on the inside of it, snaps in, so we'll see how well it holds. May have to be glued. So I had a Road Glide windshield that we cut down. Still got to sand the edges, and it's gonna go down like that. It's gonna look pretty good on here. We're drilling the holes right now, so we'll be back after we get this installed. Grab the drill.
You got acorns or something put on there.
What?
Acorns or something, so it looks fancier.
Well, that's fine, but right now I don't have acorns, so. Go get a bolt. You coming through?
Mm-hmm.
And the washer and a nut. It's gonna look pretty slick. Looks good on there. Here's let's see here. Get it up. Got that cut out. That looks sharp. Right on that seam where that carpet was. Gonna drill that other side while I'm getting some bolts? Okay.
I'll let you do it. You won't be responsible for fucking it up now.
Well,
You got a washer over here?
it's got a washer on it. It's built in. Hold on. You got it crooked or something. No, you're just turning the whole thing. I can't hold it. You got it fucking cockeyed or something. Don't get that tight till we put this one in. We'll tighten that down more.
You got a washer on it. You right there or something, ain't you?
Use that big switch on there. On the outside. Where's that bolt at? Give me a bolt.
Hey, after you gave me that washer, I said,
But there was a bolt in it.
no, you just gave me that washer.
Give me any bolt.
We got to do that one.
Yeah, you do. Because this won't hold that unless we put that in. You'll have to work that cloth out of there. Right there where my finger is.
See you poke through now.
I'll take this out because there's fucking shavings underneath the windshield. Yep. You got washers over there?
Nope.
Front back. Nice new bolt. I still ain't going through that summit.
Which way are you trying to get through?
This windshield. Come out of there. Give me a washer. Give me the other bolt. Have we got it? It needs to go in now. Are you trying to cut that?
Yes, it's ripping
Oh,
on
let
the
me show you something about where I stuck the bolt in. Once we get it tightened down, you can put the stuff back over the top of it if you want. I wouldn't worry about it. There's no danger of getting up in there and busting your hands on it. Well, we need to tighten it down. Do you want to do these or not?
I don't think they're necessary.
No?
What is this, ½ inch?
Yeah. So we got to sand the edge of this where we trimmed that. This come off. It's a new Road Glide windshield. Nasty as hell because it's got some kind of sticky glue on it that we got to get off from where the plastic was on it. But it's gonna look good on there. Purple torpedo.
Purple pussy pounder.
Yeah, I ain't going nowhere. So, we got sidecar basically done. He's got the inside done. We got to work on seat frame and recovering seat. This is Dave, and we now have the chassis all painted black, and it's dry. And we'll be putting the body on it tomorrow and getting the wheel lined out and hopefully getting it finished up.